let's say you have a scheduling situation where a number of children rotate back and forth between a couple of different schedules. Maybe one week they're Tuesday, Thursday, and the next week they're Monday, Wednesday, Friday, something like that. You can do that in ProCare with what's called advanced scheduling. To set that, you'll go to the configuration menu at the top and choose System, and we'll go under Regions and Schools. We'll double click here, and you can set this either for the region as a whole or an individual location. Let's set it for my whole region called Southern Oregon. I'll go to Set Options down at the bottom, and then we'll go to Family Data here on the left hand side. And over on the right, you'll see the first item listed is scheduling type, and that's either set to easy or advanced. So we want to make sure that that says advanced, and then we'll exit, and we'll go into Family Data and Accounting so you can see how that works. Then we'll pick a child's schedule. Let's choose this child right here. They've already highlighted. We'll click on the schedule icon for them, and then we'll go and let's add a brand new schedule. So we'll click New, defaults to the next available start date. Now let's say I want this to rotate between like a Tuesday, Thursday, and a Monday, Wednesday, Friday schedule. So this will be the starting week, will be week 1 of this child's schedule, and we'll put him in whatever classroom happens to be appropriate. This is a week 1 schedule. Let's say he comes Tuesday and Thursday, so we could say Tuesday, and let's say it's 8:30 until maybe 12:30, depending on how our program runs. Okay, and then we can copy that day, and so let's say we really only want that, so that copies it the next 3 days here, but let's just delete Wednesday. We don't need that on there. So now we have the first week set up as a Tuesday, Thursday week. We can save that if we want to. And we do need to set an ending date for the schedule. That's just reminding me. Let's just say that one goes, maybe this goes through the summer. We'll go ahead and mark that. We'll save it. Now we want to set up a second week with a different schedule. So what we can do here is say, well, he may still be in the same room, but this is going to be the week 2 alternating schedule, and on every other week he's coming Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So now we can do that. Tap enter a couple of times till we get down to the next line, and now we can copy the days. I usually think this is easier, and then you can remove the days that you don't need. So we'll remove Tuesday, we'll remove Thursday, and now we'll save it again. So now we have week 1, a Tuesday, Thursday schedule, week 2, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and this will automatically rotate back and forth every other week. Now if you have children who don't rotate, then you just mark their weeks in rotation as 1. They never rotate, and it will always say week 1 for them because they basically have the same schedule over and over. And that's all there is to it.